This video is going to teach you how to search and replace speaker labels once you are finished your transcript. So because there's speaker labels such as questioning lawyer and responding lawyer and third-party lawyer, you're not going to want to leave that once you're finished your transcript for your OP. You're going to have to replace their names. In order to do that, you press Control-G and you go to Replace. The first thing that you're always going to want to do is go to More and make sure that Match Case is always selected. Once Match Case is selected, you go under the Find What section and you would type in Questioning Lawyer if that is the first speaker label that you want to change. Let's say the questioning lawyer's name is Mr. Smith. You would type in Mr. Smith and press Replace All. And in this case, it only replaced one, but there you go. Mr. Smith is now inserted under questioning lawyer. You're going to want to do that for the responding lawyer as well. So Alt-G, replace responding lawyer, and the responding lawyer's name, Mr. Carey. And you'll replace it. And then for the third-party lawyer as well. So Alt-G, replace third-party lawyer, Miss Huckleberry. Replace it all. And there we go. There's Miss Huckleberry. You can also do this for the witness, if you have a witness in your file, and the judge for their rulings and their reasons for judgment and their reasons for sentence. You would just Alt-G, replace, find judge, and replace it with whatever the judge's name is. So once you are done your transcript, make sure you always search and replace for speaker labels. And that is how you do that.